Hello everyone, my name is Sherley. I have extensive experience teaching Montessori at AHI International School. The Montessori method is a child-centered approach that lets children learn through hands-on exploration and at their own pace. This method helps children become independent and motivated learners who enjoy discovering new things. Montessori is incorporated daily through hands-on learning and a prepared environment. Children do their activities and take care of their surroundings. Even transitions like cleaning up or greeting each other are opportunities to practice respects and responsibilities. Every part of the day, from practical life tasks to academic lessons, help children build focus and a love for learning. Children in Montessori take part in activities of their own choice. Younger children enjoy simple tasks such as sweeping, scooping, pouring, and threading, which improve hand-eye coordination. As they explore sensorial materials, they begin to learn about shapes, colors, numbers, and sounds. My role as a Montessori teacher is to guide, prepare the environment, and offer lessons that match their readiness. The Montessori approach complements well with the International Early Years Curriculum or IEYC because both focus on the holistic development of the child. Montessori aligns with the IEYC dimensions of learning. The personal dimension is supported through fostering independence and responsibilities. The academic dimension through exploration and discovery in subjects like math and language, and the international dimension through respect for diversity and understanding of the world. Together, IEYC and Montessori approach, they create a learning environment that develops the whole child. What I love most about teaching Montessori is watching each child explore and master their skills. In Montessori, respect for others are at the heart of every activity.